problem? What the f you, dude?
Orange?
Yeah. That's the fastest dogs that walk up and down.
I wasn't going fast. I should be on a lead.
What?
Should be on a lead.
No, it shouldn't be on a
Yeah,
lead.
it should be on a lead. It's on the road.
No, it's not a f***ing road.
Yes, it is. It's a way.
No, it's not.
Sem šel, lej, pač, veš kaj je, niste navajeni hitrosti, ker ne vozite motorja, pa se vam zdi hiter. Ful dobim takih, pa veste, a ste videli, da sem lahko ustavil brez problema? Vem, kaj hočete povedati, sam tudi vi mene razumete, prosim. Čez nepregledan ovink ne bom preletel.
Jaz sam prosim počasi.
Jaz sem tudi, vas prosim, da razumete.
Look at this guy. Look at him. Oh my God, he's trying to hit him.
Hello, and thank you for calling 311 in New York City. We're here
Oh
to
my
help.
God.
But if this
Did you
is
see
an
that?
emergency, please hang up and dial 911. Today, Sunday, alternate side parking and parking meter rules are suspended. Tomorrow, Monday, alternate...
NANI?!
What's wrong with you? What's that? What'd I do?
Yeah. Okay. All right, calm down. I've called the police. Yeah, I've called the police. They're here. Yeah, all right. Oh, yeah, you think you're a tough man, do you? Okay. Alright, calm down. It's a bike. Why are you doing this? Why'd you do this? What do you mean it's your job? How much are you getting for that bike when you sell it for your drugs? Whoa, why are you, Robin Hood? We are poor. We live in a council house, you stupid idiot.
Lock it or lose, innit?
Where's my house?
Lock it or fucking
This is my
lose.
house, it is locked. Look at you. Big tough man with his little bloody Stanley blade. Yeah, okay. Now just... You little toe rag, look at you. Who brought you up? What mother's yours? She needs to go away in prison, bringing you up, little f***. Look at ya, little toe rag. Look at ya. You can't even get out. You do rob a garden.
What's wrong with you? Fucking problem? Yeah, what the fuck? You, dude.
Oh, C63. Let's see if this guy wants to pull. You guys ready? Oh yeah, he's inching forward. Let's hope he does. I feel like he will. Oh yeah. Just watch these red light runners though. Come on, man. To get in front. Get the fuck up! The lane. this is fun. Well guys, that was quite the eventful day.
Whoa! What are you doing? Seriously? Appreciate it. Yeah, she almost hit me moving into my lane.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, I had to move over here. She damn near hit me.
Näettekö te, että čist po strani stari moj? Alo? Jadno. Da p***ti m***iza da, ej. P***eva p***ina šuma za n***rac. Šta je bilo, ej? Ti si direkt pod mojim drevesom, ej. Ja, daj, fente me. Cu p***na k***a šuma p***kana. P***te m***erine. M***erine. Koja je to najbolja jadna šuma p***a. Kurac u p***e, dam stari. Mršu k***ac. Kva ti delaš? Noćeš vidjet. Kva noćeš?
Eu vou, parece um gavião em cima do outro, viu? A moto cai, aí levou largura pro cara, a moto caiu em cima do cara.
Isso, YouTube. É nóis, meu parceiro. Tamo junto. É nóis. Eita, meu amigo. Eita, meu. Só um descuido aí de nada, né, mano? Ó, aí, gravou. Vai pra lá, mano. Pega aí, ó. Acontece, mano. Foda, hein, mano. Basta? Tanto. Pois é, família, então eu vou encerrar o vídeo.
Yeah, we're good.
No, it's my daddy's place.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Sorry.
Something was biting him.
Something was on me, so we were just parked here and we're trying to get his started now.
Up here, man. You see the video cameras up there? Got every bit of it. Y'all been on Nevy's land? What? My bad. Y'all know Nevy's?
The people that live over on Sardis Springs?
No, they don't live over here. This is Nevy land.
Oh, okay.
This is private land, man.
Alright, we'll get out of here. I mean, we were just turning around right here. Get it. Stick it on there. Alright, we gotta go, bro.
I guess you need to call somebody to come get us, bro. My jump's messed up.
Just start walking down or something.
Ești iertat, jumătate. Te-ai băgat un pic.
El teléfono, a ver,